Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Meteorologist Austin McCormick here with your mid to late week outlook leading into the weekend. So increasing clouds over the course of the day today. First half of the day should be pretty good, but we're going to be seeing some clouds and eventually some rain later tonight. But midweek rain, especially Wednesday, really ramping up into Thursday, and particularly Thursday night. We could be seeing some storms and perhaps some stronger storms moving through the region. And as you can see, a clear and cool weekend as we clear out behind the front and also cool off with temperatures stuck in the 50s, so it should make for some great fall weather this weekend for the first week of November. As you can see, our high today is going to be topping out around 72. Note the rain occurring late in the day, probably going to occur in the late evening hours around the 6 o'clock hour. As you can see, temperatures are going to be slow to drop overnight because of some cloud cover and rain in the area, so it's definitely going to be one of those warm and humid nights across the area. So looking at the highs for today, as you can see, 73 in Uptown, 72 in Mint Hill. Pretty much every location today, with the exception of maybe Cherryville, is going to be seeing 72 or 73 degrees today. So it should be a beautiful first half of the day, but as I said, we're going to be seeing those clouds on the increase over the course of the day. So here's what's going on here. As you can see, we do have a couple of frontal systems to talk about. As you can see, we have a front over the heart of the country that's centered right now over Arkansas and Missouri. That's bringing with it some rain and even some snow across some of the plains, leading into some parts of the upper Midwest. And that's going to be slowly making its way towards our area. And we're going to be seeing the prefrontal rain from that on Wednesday. But then the stronger storms associated with the front itself is going to be moving in on Thursday, particularly Thursday night. So if you have any trick-or-treaters that are going out trick-or-treating, it should be okay, but I would say 8-9 o'clock hour, things could get a little bit stormy out there. And as you can see, we do have another frontal system that is in the Gulf, stretched over Florida and out into the Atlantic. These systems are going to kind of merge together, or at least we're going to be seeing influences from both systems on Wednesday and Thursday. So it's really going to make for a wet go of things for your Wednesday and Thursday. So here's a look at the 7-day outlook. As you can see, we're going to be around 72 for today, 68 tomorrow with clouds and rain in the area. So it should be kind of a raw and kind of cool day out there. As you can see, 78. We could see some 80-degree readings ahead of the front Thursday. It's not out of the realm of possibility, but a good chance of storms, particularly late in the afternoon. And as you can see, we're going to be cooling off quite dramatically as we head into Saturday and Sunday, with highs only stuck in the mid to upper 50s. And look at the overnight lows, we're flirting with the freezing mark. So it's getting to be that time of year again where we're going to be soon seeing frost and freeze advisories being issued. I don't think it's going to happen quite yet, but it's definitely feeling a lot more like fall out there, especially as we head towards the weekend. And Monday looks great, 60 degrees with abundant sunshine.